Students, let us start with the 8th chapter, that is Wake Up. So, this is a poem, right? We are going to read this poem. It is written by C. Fletcher. Okay, so let us continue with the poem. Lesson 8, Wake Up. So, what is the poem all about? The poem is all about the nature, right? Wake up, it's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come to play. Right? What is the poet saying? That wake up, it is such a lovely day. Don't continue sleeping, right? And please, oh, please get up and come to play. Right? The poet is calling all the nature lovers, all the people, plants, animals, everyone to come and play, to get up, since the lovely day, the lovely morning has started, right? And so, oh, please get up and come to play, the poet is saying. The birds are singing in the trees and you can hear the buzzing bees, right? The poem is describing about the beautiful nature. The poet wants to justify the beauty of the nature, describe the beauty of the nature carefully. So, what is the poet saying? The birds are singing in the trees, right? The birds are chirping and singing in the trees, and the sound of buzzing bees also can be here. Wake up, it's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come to play. Again, he is repeating the lines that wake up and come to play. The lovely day has started. The poet wants to wake all the persons, and he wants that everyone should enjoy the beauty of the nature instead of sleeping always, right? Moving on to the next paragraph. So, it's much too late to lie in the bed, so hurry up, you sleepy head. So, what is the poet next saying? That it is much late, right? Morning has started and it is much late to lie in the bed. So, hurry up, you sleepy head. What does sleepy head means? Always in sleeping mode. Lazy peoples, he is saying that lazy peoples just sleep. Those who are always sleeping or in sleepy mind, hurry up, and it's too late to still lie on the bed. Hurry up, and the poet wants to say that get up and admire the beauty of the nature, right? Wash and dress and come on out. Wash and dress means, what is the poet talking about? He is talking about the daily activities, right? Finish your daily activities, and then come on out means come. What does come on out means? To get up and come out to enjoy the nature. Everyone is up and about. The cow, the horses, the ducks, and the sheep, the tiniest chicken, cheep, cheep, cheep. Wake up, right? So now what is he continuing? That come finish all your daily activities and wake up, come out to play, enjoy the beauty, right? The cow, the horses, in short, he is saying that all the animals and the tiniest chicken, right, is all out and they are enjoying. So come and enjoy the beauty of the nature. Okay.